Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Fortnite servers not responding error on PC. First, completely close Fortnite. Then close the Epic Games launcher as well. Do not just minimize it. Open Task Manager. Look for Fortnite and Epic Games launcher in the list. If you see them, click on each one and select End Task. This makes sure they are fully closed. Now restart your PC. After your PC shuts down, also restart your internet router or modem. Turn it off, wait around 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Once your PC is back on, open a web browser and check the official Epic Games status page. Look for Fortnite services. If the servers are down or under maintenance, the issue is not on your side, and you will need to wait until Epic fixes it. If the servers are online, make sure you are not using any VPN or proxy. VPNs can block or slow down the connection to Fortnite servers. Turn off the VPN completely and close the VPN app before launching the game. Next, try changing your DNS settings. Press the Windows key and type Network Connections. Open it and right-click on your active internet connection. Choose Properties, then double-click on Internet Protocol version 4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. Enter 8.8.8.8 as the preferred DNS and 8.8.4.4 as the alternate DNS. Click OK and close all windows. Finally, open the Epic Games launcher again and start Fortnite. In most cases, the not responding error should now be fixed. Thanks for watching.